Welcome to the Number Guessing Game project. In this project, we'll create a number guessing game in which the computer will generate a random number. We will then get the player of the game to submit a guess. Now the guess needs to be compared to the number that the computer has generated randomly, and if a guess is too high, the player should get notified via a message. And if it's too low, the player should also be told so. Now, if the player guesses correctly, the player should be congratulated. Now, a player should only get 5 guesses in this game, otherwise it would be too easy. Once the guesses run out, the game is over. And the final feature we want to include in our game is to ask a player whether they want to play again. If they do, we replay the game. If they don't, we should break out of the game. Now you have learnt everything you need to know in order to produce code that will address this project. The chances are that if you go and try to code this up yourself now, we will produce different code. But this is absolutely fine. In fact, it's expected. There is no single right way to code this solution. There may be cleaner ways to code the solution, but that's not what the goal of this project is. We're looking to bring together the knowledge that we've learnt in order to construct a final game, and it's the problem-solving element that we want to focus on. If we break this project down into smaller problem statements, it becomes easier to digest and tackle. Give this project your best go without any help. When you feel like you can't go any further and you get stuck, then feel free to look at the solution video that I've put together in the next video. That being said, when you go through the solution video, try to pause it along the way and code it up yourself. Really try to understand what each part of the code is doing to get a full understanding as to how this application can be coded in its entirety. Good luck, and I'll see you in the solution video.